Hi guys, in front of me is MOTOROLA Moto G13 and let me show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So at first, open your phone dialer, then select the contact that you wish to add this profile picture to and select edit icon. Now mark add photo and you can either take a photo or choose something from your gallery. It's up to you. I would like to pick something from the gallery. And now you can customize it however you like. You can also rotate the picture, crop it, and then tap on done. And if you wish to apply this photo, just tap on save and that's it. From now on you will be able to see the profile picture before you even read the name of the contact that is calling you. So that's it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.